What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. This is another video of me tufting a custom rug. Today, we're doing an evil eye rig rug. I typically start off with the darkest shade. In this case, it's black. We're going to do a few lines. Vertical lines are the easiest for me to accomplish. Now we're going to roll up that excess black yarn and start with the blue. I use a little tiny screwdriver to help get my yarn through the hole. And here goes blue. We're gonna do an outside line for the blue so I know just how much boundary I have. And then we're gonna fill in with the blue yarn. The slower you can move with your gun, the better, especially for little areas like this. Fill in with the blue vertical lines. Every time I put a line down, I'm counting over 2 spaces, so they're all in uniform distance. Now we're gonna spool up that extra blue yarn and go at it with the next color. All right, let's go. Let's fill in some white. Go that outside boundary so I know just how much space I have. Go ahead and fill in with white vertical lines again. As you guessed it, keeping the uniformity is really important with the cleanliness of the work. Spooling up that extra white yarn I didn't use, and then we're gonna go at it with the last color, dark blue. Now this is gonna be the outside border color. So we do that boundary line first.
So because it's a big bundle, these bundles typically fall in on themselves. Like the weight of themselves makes it collapse, so it doesn't really maintain shape.
And here we go with that blue outside border and in with the vertical blue lines. Uniformity really is my jam. Once you have your border, your outlined boundary, you can fill in super easily. Getting almost close to finished, and then time to glue. That was a perfect circle. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more, click that like and that subscribe button. Drop a comment and tell me what you want to see. I'll be reading comments. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was as satisfying as it was to make it. We'll catch you on the next one.